Welcome back. Still tuned into Power Breakfast on CNBC-TV18. It's time to talk commodities now. Manisha Gupta is joining us, and she's telling what's happening in that space. Hey, Manisha, good morning.
Morning, Sonal. Thank you for that. Well, two major events this week. One is the US Fed meeting and the other is the ECB monetary policy meeting. And then Reserve Bank of Australia also has a monetary policy meeting in this week. So markets are going to be quite choppy. Having said that, from 1st to 3rd of May, you have China out for a Golden Week holiday as well. So the participation or the liquidity is going to be less and exaggerated moves more here. So the crude oil prices, while the overnight saw some gains coming in, and while the month of April has seen some gains as well after 5 straight months of decline, but the markets are jittery in sense of demand coming in from China and from US as well, where we have seen crude inventories continue to gain up. Overnight, after China said that the weak data is something that they are watching for and that they will come out with some stimulus for growth going forward, you saw strong gains come in for many of these metal prices. So 1% is where aluminum and zinc were trading. Copper gained all the way to 2.5% as well. But by the time the markets closed in New York session and the Asia opening today, it has been slightly on the weaker side yet again. The economic data, whether it has been about manufacturing activity, housing starts, or service sector, all of these numbers from China have come in on the weaker side, but some support from the fact that China, when it comes back from the Golden Week, could lead to some stimulus, perhaps, is what is supporting the markets. In the meanwhile, it's going to be all about the monetary policy meetings this week that the street will take a cue from.
Oh, it absolutely will be. Manisha, thank you so much for joining us. So those are the key events to watch out for as far as the commodity market moves are concerned, and of course, what's happening in that space as well.